Pulse. Select Pulse, and then you can rename this. Double click, and then what you have to do, timing. You have to select the timing. So timing here, it will be your, yes, repeat. Go to repeat, and then until end of slide you can repeat. Press OK. Yes. So as you can see, yes, the pulse animation can be seen over there. And now start with previous. You have to select start with previous. So yes, so it has, okay, very good. So now what you have to do is you have to drag it to the right hand corner and make another copy. Press Ctrl and make another copy, and you have to change this into exit. Yes, exit. So you have to click on that and then go to insert and go to action, and here you have to click on hyperlink to next slide. The hyperlink to, no, we have to go to end show. Yes, we have to click end show, right? Hyperlink to, and then press OK, and then go to the slideshow mode. So if we click on exit, end show. So now what we do is select the treasure and go to animations and click on animation, and then click on pulse, and then see the treasure will also, give you the effect of pulse. Go to timing, again repeat until end of slide. Okay, yes, and then start with previous. Yes, okay, very good. So we have done this also. Now we go to another slide, new slide, and here we will add format background, and here we'll go to gradient fill. And now it is up to you how much transparency you want, and accordingly you fill the color. So if I select this light blue color, so we go to now in insert, and then we go to shapes. We select this rectangular shape, and then it is a curved shape. So what we do is we again go to shape themes first, and from themes we select a particular theme. Go to shape effects, preset, go to the second option, then go to insert, go to word art, select any word art. You have to type the text over there. You have to type treasure hunt game. In fact, I think we should write it as online treasure hunt game. Online treasure hunt game. Yes, very good. Huh? Press shift, Ctrl G. Yes. Then go to home, go to the selection pane, and then you have to rename this as start. Yes, you rename it as start. And then now what we have to do is we have to go to animations, then we have to select on pulse, and then we have to go to animation pane, and then we have to go to timing, and then we have to click on that, actually double click on that, and then until end of slide we have to click OK. You have to select until end of slide and click OK, and then start with previous. And then what we have to do is we have to go to insert again and go to shapes, select the curve rectangle, and then create a box at the bottom on the left hand corner, and then you have to adjust it, and then go to view and click on guides. And here what we have to do is, yes, bring it to the top, just below, middle, at the middle, just below the online treasure hunt game. Press Ctrl and create one more box, copy, one copy, and then go to antique guides, and then You have to type here, double click, and then go to themes, and then you have to click a particular theme, go to shape effects, preset, click on that. Again go to themes, click on a particular theme, go to shape effects, go to preset and click on that. Yes. And now what you have to write over here, exit game. Yes. So here you write exit game, and then go to home, change the font style, Berlin Sans, increase the font size, okay, to fit the particular rectangle box. And then you have to do the same thing over here, but then here you need to write, go to selection pane, and then you have to rename this rectangle as exit game. Yes. So now you go to the next rectangle box and you rename it as start game. Yes. So now we have to write it as start game. So we write it as start game, and then we again go to that to home, change the font style and the font size, 66. So we select the font size to 66. We have to make it 60, okay, in order to fit the rectangle box. Yeah, so we have to click on that rectangle box, go to insert and go to action. In action, hyperlink to, now we have to select the slide, end show, and press OK. So in start game, in new slide, we create a new slide. In start game, we click on new start game, go to hyperlink, and in the new slide we click on slide, and then slide we write number 2, and we click on OK. So here also we press OK. Play sound. So we want some sound, so we play some sound over here. What is the sound we want? Click sound, and then we press OK. So what we do now is, again we go to action, play sound for the exit button, click sound and press OK. Yes, very good. So now we go to format background for the new slide that we have created. No? Okay, before that we need to go right click and we need to go to format, open format background, and then click apply all, apply to all, and then we go to the new slide, and then we go to shapes, insert the rectangle shape again, the curved rectangular shape, and here we again go to themes, and here we select a particular theme, go to shape effects, go to preset, select this button, go to shape effects, go to select glow. You can select any one of your choice, but I have selected that, and then go to insert button, and then click on word art, select a particular text, a text box, and then write over here, get ready. Yes, get ready. So now you drag it over there, get ready, and so we go to insert now, again go to word art, select that, and here we type a text, we write find the treasure. Yes, very good. So we write find the treasure in 2 minutes. Yes, in 2 minutes you have to find the treasure. So again we drag that, and below the get ready we insert it over there. So now we go to home, change the font color. Here also we change the font color. So now it looks good, isn't it? So now we go to insert again, and here we insert shape, and again we create a rectangular shape over here, and there we go to themes, select a particular theme, go to shape effects, preset, and then select the second one, and then over here we need to go to shape effects again, go to glow and select any glow of your choice, and then you have to type the text objective, and here again we select the font size and go to font style Berlin Sans. We select that and then select all the boxes, rectangular boxes, and then press Ctrl and Ctrl G, and then we rename this as welcome. We rename this as welcome, and then we click on that big rectangular box, go to animations and go to pulse. Yes, we select pulse and then start with previous, and then after that we go to timing, we go to until end of slide, we select